In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a website from GoDaddy to GreenGeeks. We're going to move the site files, transfer the database, upload everything to the new hosting account, and then point the domain to the new server by updating the name servers. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to go slowly and stay organized so nothing gets missed. First, log into your GoDaddy hosting account and open cPanel. From there, go into File Manager and locate the folder where your website is installed. In many cases, this will be the public web root directory, but always confirm that you're inside the correct folder before downloading anything. Once you've found the full site, compress the files into a single archive if that option is available. Download that archive to your computer. This gives you a complete copy of the website files and makes the upload process much easier later. Next, while still in the GoDaddy account, open PMyAdmin. Find the database connected to the website you're moving. If you're not completely sure which database belongs to the site, check the site's configuration file in File Manager to confirm the database name. After selecting the correct database in PMyAdmin, export it and save the SQL file to your computer. This file contains your site content, settings, and other stored data. Now switch over to your GreenGeeks account and open cPanel there. Start by creating a new website environment and then create a new database. You'll also need to create a database user and assign that user to the database with full privileges. Make note of the new database name, username, and password because you'll need to update the site configuration later so the website can connect properly. After that, go to File Manager in GreenGeeks and upload the website archive into the correct web directory. Once the upload finishes, extract the archive so all the site files appear in place. If the archive created an extra folder layer, move the files if needed so the main site files sit in the proper root directory. Then open PMyAdmin in GreenGeeks, select the new database, and import the SQL file you downloaded from GoDaddy. Wait for the import to complete fully before moving on. Finally, update your domain's name servers in GoDaddy so they point to the GreenGeeks name servers. After saving the changes, allow time for DNS propagation. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, although it often updates sooner. Once propagation